Let's get a clear understanding of what cognitive computing is. Cognitive computing is an advanced form of artificial intelligence that mimics human cognitive functions, such as learning, reasoning, and problem-solving. It goes beyond traditional AI systems, allowing machines to comprehend and interpret complex data, making them more human-like in their interactions. Imagine a world where computers can understand language, recognize patterns, and even make informed decisions. That's the power of cognitive computing. Cognitive computing isn't just a futuristic concept, it's already making waves in various industries. From healthcare to finance, from customer service to manufacturing, cognitive computing is revolutionizing the way we work and live. For instance, in healthcare, cognitive systems can analyze medical records and suggest personalized treatment plans, leading to more accurate diagnoses and improved patient care. In the finance sector, these systems can predict market trends and assist in making informed investment decisions. The possibilities are truly endless. One of the pioneers in cognitive computing is IBM with its remarkable creation, Watson. Watson is an AI platform that utilizes natural language processing and machine learning to process vast amounts of unstructured data. It gained fame by winning Jeopardy! But its potential extends far beyond trivia. Watson is being used in fields like healthcare, where it aids doctors in diagnosing diseases by analyzing medical literature and patient data. The advancements brought by Watson are a testament to the incredible power of cognitive computing. As we embrace the potential of cognitive computing, it's essential to address ethical considerations. With AI making complex decisions, issues such as bias, privacy, and accountability come to the forefront. As developers, users, and citizens, we need to ensure that the technology is used responsibly and that safeguards are in place to prevent unintended negative consequences. So, what does the future hold for cognitive computing? Well, we're only scratching the surface of its capabilities. As technology evolves, cognitive systems will become even more integrated into our daily lives. Imagine AI assistants that truly understand and anticipate your needs, smart cities that optimize resources based on real-time data, and educational systems that personalize learning for every student. The potential to transform industries and enhance our quality of life is truly limitless. Subscribe and like for more tech news.